Kod weche mag ohala kama jous chumbe moti kata sikrep koro wacho ni giseikore mar timo ohalano e yo makare maonge kuo moro amora mar chumbe mabiro timore.
Jakom mar riwruok jo sikrep Evans Ng'ang'a wacho ni chakore yawnegi ohalano bang' kuma dweche adek kuo mar chumbe nolwar kod 50%. Kamano en ranyisi kata ka owegi kendgi to ginyalo tieko kuo mar sikrep.
Piny owacho ni okumo ohalano bang' medruok mar kuo mag chumbe ka bende koro jouso dwaro ni mondo mi ochul omenda manyalo romo siling 200,000 mondo eka migi lesen mar timo ohalano.
Since the ban was opened, vandalism has gone down by over 50% because of how these associations have been working together, how we've been profiling our members, and how we've been teaching our members on how to behave and how to conduct themselves and how to conduct the industry. We're also going to work with the government. We are very, very happy that and we are waiting the new cabinet minister of trade, Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria. We've reached out to him, and we feel that we are going to have meetings, specifically as pertaining the issue of licenses. As the General Secretary has mentioned, we will not be issuing certificates to any Tom, Dick, and Harry. We are going to do a profiling system, a serious profiling management system. Before we give you a certificate, we know what type of a person you are. We don't need the government to be regulating this industry because we